Today I have a Galaxy A51 that was returned as a no fix from the local mall. I've dealt with many mall kiosk-based shops and none of them have come close to being what I would consider reputable. When this customer tried to go back, the kiosk had been closed and replaced by a hat shop. Opening back was easy, there's no way a mall kiosk would replace adhesive. Now, typically this is where you would be removing multiple screws from the midframe. In this case, the screws are pre-removed and missing entirely. They certainly had some issues with removing the battery, and seemed to have bent it badly on the side. Should have watched my tutorial. Remember what I said about these places being less than reliable? At first glance, it looks like pretty much everything is there, but I'm going to take a closer look just to make sure. Look, it's the first screw we've come across, and it's a board screw, plus 1 to the mall for replacing at least one thing. Okay, I spoke too soon. There's no ear speaker, it's completely gone. Minus 1 to the mall. Alright, the important part, disconnecting the battery. So far this is really straightforward, and I'm not seeing any damage to the board or any reason why this wouldn't be a simple screen replacement job, but somehow it was marked unrepairable. The vibrate motor was barely attached. By this point my brain is off and I'm treating this like a normal repair. This part isn't sped up, just silly autonomous me forgot that this was from the mall, meaning there was no adhesive holding it down anyway. Wow, this battery is getting replaced. The outside looks like somebody used a butter knife to pry this up. Time to reassemble this one properly. I've got a replacement ear speaker as well as a replacement SIM tray. This A51 is going to get a proper refurbishing at this point. With a brand new battery as well, I'll press the midframe to the board and power it on. I've got vibration, but no display. That's weird. I reset all the connections and tried again. Still nothing. I'm gonna try and trace this problem. I know the display is good. The display's first point of connection is to the charging board, so I'll start a close inspection there. There's the culprit. Almost 25% of the pins for the LCD connector are bent backwards somehow. Nice. Brand new charging board installed at the bottom. The battery gets reconnected, and let's power on to test. We have display. It took a while to get here, but I got it. With the new ear speaker, new battery, new charging port, and new screen, this one is almost fully refurbished. The last thing it needs are replacement screws, and thankfully I had all but one on hand. I'm disappointed that it isn't absolutely perfect, but for how it came in, I think it's much better off now. Some testing later, and this one's working great. I'll replace the adhesive for the back panel as well. This one is fixed and good to go, and this isn't to say that all mall kiosk shops are bad. I just haven't encountered a good one yet personally. Thanks for joining me. If you, for some weird reason, enjoyed hearing me rant and watching me repair stuff, subscribe for more. See you next time.